the All Pro exterior services here. Here kind of early. It's kind of early. It's about 8 o'clock. Anyway, we here got the water filling up. Of course, again, I can't stress enough. That's the first thing we do. Tony's already on property protection, full of bleach. So we got that filled up before I left, about 7. Anyway, so we got a project here. We got the whole house we're going to wash, which is brick. It's not too bad. They got some spots that are worse than others. We're also going to hit the front of this roof. This house is actually only 5 years old, and that's fake ducks. But you can see on the side of it right here. But it's not that bad. So what we're thinking, what we're going to do is just kind of spike the AR up and just use the AR to hit that front roof. And Tony's going to hit that property protection. Going to hit this flat work. 5 years, so we should be good. I am going to back down the surface cleaner, but we shouldn't have no problems with that. I'm going to catch all this flat work. They already moved everything, which is phenomenal. I got a wooden swing here. We're not doing inside of here, so we're going to do all of this, all of that. You can see here it's kind of a little bit. Here you got a little bit of stuff, bit of surface cleaning. Awesome, they moved everything. Everybody's at work. And then around here you could see some stuff. Let's see, a little bit around got the Jenny around this. You got some stuff here, and that's kind of brown. We'll kind of play it by ear. But Tony's on PP, so he's gonna knock that out. Oh, Tony. Look, we got an outlet right here. So anyway, let us get rolling. We'll get some footage here in a minute, and we're gonna hit those dormers too. When I hit the roof, I'm gonna hit the dormers because those dormers are pretty bad. So we'll hit them. All right, peace. Everybody, Tony's almost done PP. Been there about 10 minutes. Filling up water. I'm just kind of waiting for it. I thought we was on a well, but it doesn't seem like it is. If it is, it's a good well. And don't look like well water, so we should be golden here in a minute. But I think is what we're going to do in this project. Again, there's no right order to do anything. It's really what makes you the most efficient in your scenario, because every scenario is different. So I think what we're going to do, we're going to start washing. Wash the front, wash the back, wash that. Why I say wash first is because I can pre-wet my plants pretty good. And then when I do decide to wash the roof, which we're still on the fence about using a 12-volt or AR, then we can get that done. Or we can even surface clean and get that knocked out right away and then do that. So we'll probably house wash, or we may surface clean, then house wash, then roof wash. Just the front of the roof. So I'm gonna go ahead and get the surface cleaner off. Got it unlocked, ready to roll. Got the beast kicking in. I'm getting a lot of questions about the coil packs. It's a Meritech. These coil packs are the revised. He puts a resistor in here that he discovered. And so anyway, call them Meritech. They can take care of you. Good people. So yeah, all right, we'll get rolling. Peace. Back the sidewalk. We got some clay stuff here, but the dirt came up, and you can see here, got some dirt. We're doing circle motions, even though this is 5 years old. You know, I just had a gut feeling, said, man, do circle motions, so we don't want those lines. In the back we did, and then you can see lines, but hopefully a post tree to take care of that. If not, we run that surface cleaner over it again and put lines in it. I mean, sorry, do circles. But we're about to get this done, knock this out, and then we'll hop on the gun, spray the house, and hit the roof, and we're out to the next one. Good day, good day. All right, guys, we'll catch up. Peace. Here's, we got all the flat work, the porch, got some clay in there. I mean, there's nothing we can do about that. But of course, I'll set the expectation with the customer. But we ended up pulling that little. We got 2 extra hoses, a 3/4 and a 5/8, but 2 faucets right here. So we double dipping. I think we are on a well, a clean well, but it's just not keeping up. So did all that flat work. We're gonna let it build up to that next line, which is right here, maybe a little past it, and then we'll start on that AR, wash this house, and then hit that roof and be out of here. Oh, and a post treat. We're gonna post treat. And that's another reason I like to do flat work first is A, because it splatters everything over the house. B, because it gives it a chance to dry, so when you apply your post treat, it accepts it well. And see, like over here, we got some drainage. That should hopefully be cleared up by the time we get to it, so we don't have no issues there. So anyway, we'll catch up with some footage here in a minute with some spraying. And again, we're going to prime our system. First thing this morning, we're going to prime it. We all soaped up, everything's loaded, so we're ready to roll. Turn on my remote. Whoa, whoa, easy, easy. Okay, we'll catch up. Peace. Guys and girls, got our system primed. Just doing a little pre-watering here on these plants. So we'll get them wet here. And then we don't want to damage any customer's property. And the ridge line's right behind these plants, so we should be okay. But, you know, we'll take precaution and do this. Because first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to wash these dormers. See these dormer windows? I'm going to wash them first because I want that to dry when I hit that roof, because I'm not rinsing a roof. And we got a wooden door here, so, you know, sometimes I get questions about wooden doors, and what do? It depends if it's sealed or not, and the way you can tell if it's sealed, at least with my experience, it's got a little shine on it. So if it has a little shine on it, then you know it's sealed. And I also ask the customers, some customers know because they got to do it every year, especially if it's against the sun. So, yeah, and this is just a house wash mix, so don't freak out on me. But we haven't had rain here in a little bit, so let me show you what I'm talking about. So let's do an example here. Okay, let's see where that line's coming from. So yeah, we're gonna get a little bit of drippage behind there, so I'm gonna make sure we hit all this. You know, every project you think goes like according to plan. I don't know, I don't remember one has, you know. You try to make it to go to plan, but you know, your plan's got to be able to change on the fly, because if it don't, you got to be able to adjust. And they have no irrigation here, so in that door, see that door, how it's, let's see, to me it looks half sealed, like they haven't redone it yet. So okay, we're gonna hit these dormers. So I can hit the dormers from here, no problem, they are. And the way I do windows, they got those tracks on the side. Hit that track like that. Get anything in that track out of there. So, anyway. I want to do this, let the roof dry up a little bit. The sun's in and out, so I'm going to go ahead and flip that soap on. Right here by the trailer. And I'm about, on the metering valve, I think I'm at right about 3.5. I did up it a little bit, so again, we got about 35, 40 seconds. And of course, we're gonna water these, because like I said, I think we may just use the 12 volt and hit it, be done with it, you know. We got a lot of residual stuff coming in too, work-wise. I always let it run a little bit extra. All right, let's go ahead and hit this one. First dormer. See how it turns out. You just put that roof right over that down with that mix. I mean, if that works. If it's not a bad roof, you know. I get some SH on you guys. That's what it's about. Living that dream out here. In the stucco, you can let it sit a little longer, but the windows you don't, obviously. Okay. We'll let that sit. Yeah, we may hit that with the 12. Maybe hit that with a little stronger mix too. All right, we'll let that marinate. I'll go ahead and turn my soap off. Spray it again. Spray it again and rinse my plants. Soap off. On the third side, I'm starting to get no film, man. I just been running, you know. Once you get rolling, you get rolling. We did all the back, all that patio. Just wetting this brick down a little bit real quick. Hit my ACs. I'm gonna go ahead and turn that soap on because I already hit that side with the brick, with the water. So it's rolling good. I don't really like washing brick too much. I mean, sometimes you need some pressure. Apply a little bit of pressure, you know. I'm just waiting on soap. Figure this is a safe spot to do it. Going good. And I told myself I'm gonna try to film more, but we just been, you know, you get so busy and wrapped up in it, and it's like, man, I like to edit my videos. I think it's just a little bit more classier. We'll see if all this comes off right behind here. You see all that? What's that for? See all right here? My boy's bringing a new bleach today. We've been going through it pretty good. Got that Jenny right here. Yeah, we're blessed, man. You see what I see, huh, Tony? Tony on the job, Tony said. He said something earlier. Oh, less saying and more spraying. There you go, Tony. Tony's rhyming it today, baby. Bringing the heater. Yeah, less fuss and more brushing. Get it. All right. Make sure I got this ledge. Yeah, this is some strong. I mean, this is some heavy stuff right here. Kind of out in the country a little bit. Getting this side of the column, so I ain't got to mess with it when I'm done. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and finish this side. I'm gonna let it marinate a little bit, man, and we'll get rolling. Catch up with some footage in a minute. Peace. All right, so we're on the roof wash now. getting this done. Put my water on. We already got a lot of water down, so dilution is the solution. Got this side, got the middle, got that side, and we're out. So, going good. Been here about 2 hours, so taking our time. About to wrap it up. And then roll, see? And we got a couple of stubborn places on that stucco. But yeah, going good. Alright guys, catch up. Peace. Girls, we're done. We're just doing a little post rinse, like the heavy rinse on the post side. See this pipe, this drain pipe, we got all this all wet, so it's all good. We flooded the back, so it's not high strength. We diluted it heavy, but we also hit this area pretty good, so you can see here, soaking wet. Anyway, we're gonna wrap up here. Tony's undoing the water. I'm just gonna spray this until we get down to our little deal. Kind of flood this out. There's a little bird nest up there, so we had to be cognizant of that. Getting free water today. Beautiful. Alright guys, we'll catch up in a minute. Alright, see you. As we on this next job, some gutter cleaning residual business. So I don't really film much more gutter cleaning. I mean, a lot of people know how to clean gutters. It's the easy way to get in the business. Just, I mean, if you just did gutter cleaning, just a couple tools, ladder, man, you can roll. You can make your money. There's jobs I give you too. That's the least service we like. At the bottom of the list, you see gutters. Anyway, we got it's the whole house. Got section here, section high. We'll probably got to yank the high ladder, use the pole to grab it from here to here. You know, it's just a thing. So anyway, it's I think today's Friday. It is Friday. Friday at last. So we're gonna get rolling. I'm gonna go put some gloves on. Grab my rake and my bag from an earlier job that we didn't fill up, and you know, get this done. And we're gonna tap out a little early today. A little early, couple maybe 2 hours. But anyway, let me get rolling. Ain't much footage here, but I may try to grab some more. All right, peace. I was back at the house. Finally got that gutter job done. Got it wrapped up for the next day. I don't know. We may take a day or two off. This land. I was hoping we'll get some rain so we can take some days off, but it didn't happen. So, but anyway, got that. Hope you ever seen my big ass fan. Yeah, look at that, 48-inch beast mode. Anyway, please like, sub, call, comments, hit me up. You got any questions? I'm trying to read the comments, answer them on YouTube. But appreciate the subs. Peace.